Okay, we've been talking to you guys a lot about deadheading, and I want to take a moment and show you how we trim our hanging baskets back, which actually really helps us not have to deadhead very much here in the greenhouse, if at all. So this is a basket full of Proven Winners petunias. These are sterile petunias, so they are one of the newer generation of breeds of petunias, and they don't produce seed, but they do grow on out and start to kind of get leggy and long as the season goes. They do keep producing lots of blooms, but I like to have a compacted, full bushy plant. So I'm going to show you how I trim these back in the greenhouse. So to trim your hanging basket back, all you need is a good pair of scissors, and today I'm going to cut this back about halfway. So it's just like you're giving a haircut. I just start taking different stems, trimming them back. So trimming it back causes me to remove a lot of those growing points, which is going to encourage lateral growth of blooms. And so what it's doing is it's taking all these flowers that have already produced, removing them, and then it's going to start pushing out fresh blooms back farther on the stem here. So I'm going to do this, show you what it looks like, and we're going to keep you updated over the next couple weeks. So for about a week, you're not going to see a lot of blooms on it, and then it's going to pop out and you're going to be so amazed at what it does. So if you don't want to remove all the blooms, because I know that is so hard to do when you have all these beautiful blooms, just pick some branches and trim them back. So just take some, you know, sometimes petunias are known to kind of get flat in the middle. Take some of those branches in the middle, snip them off, trim them back. You don't have to trim everything back, you know, just kind of snip here and there. And even that will help your plant. I always try to trim around the bottom a little bit as I go. Okay, we're gonna give you a little bit of a closer look now of what it looks like when we're trimming these back. Okay, so you can see that I'm just cutting off a few of the growing points here and there for these blooms. And that is going to encourage this plant, this stem. So let's see, if I remove this here, it's going to encourage it to push out these lateral shoots here and produce more blooms. So that's the idea of trimming back, is that you're removing the flowers some, and then it's encouraging that growth at the bottom to make a more bushier, compact, full plant.